Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges in the HP Envy 7640. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here, and the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink cartridges can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening the front door, then lifting the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the carriage stops moving before you continue. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the tape found at the top of the cartridge. Hole is labeled on this piece of tape. Remove this before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Hold the ink cartridge by its sides, then unclip the protective plastic cap to remove it from the ink cartridge. For this printer, your color cartridge will be on the left side, followed by the black on the right. Now, press the front of the ink cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert the ink cartridge into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing, and make sure to not touch the gold contact points. Insert the ink cartridge in the direction of the arrow on the label. Each color has its own correct position. Slide the ink cartridge into its slot, and then press in on the ink cartridge until it snaps into place. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink cartridge you are replacing. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the front door and ink cartridge access door. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.